Hello everyone and welcome. And today we're going to be looking at how to get high ticket clients in LinkedIn. Now we all know that everyone would love to. Everyone that's searching for a job or searching for clients would love to have ones that are high ticket. So now if you want to do that, how can you do it? It's quite simple. Well, not that simple, but it's a dedicated process. So let's get started. You see, securing high-ticket clients on LinkedIn requires a strategic and consistent approach. So the first thing you need to do is optimize your LinkedIn presence or profile. How? Make it a professional presence. So use high-quality professional headshots. Craft a compelling headline that clearly communicates your value proposition. Write a detailed about section that highlights your expertise and the benefits you offer. Also showcase your expertise by detailing your experience and accomplishments. Use keywords that your target clients are likely to search for. Request and display relevant recommendations. So this is how to create a professional presence, that is optimizing your LinkedIn profile. The next step you need to take is to target the right audience. How? Through advanced search. Utilize LinkedIn advanced search filters to identify ideal clients based on industry, company size, job title, and location. Next, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is also a powerful tool for this purpose. Identify decision makers. When you focus on connecting with individuals who have the authority to make purchasing decisions. Next, the next step you need to take is to engage and build relationships. Through content marketing. How? Share valuable, relevant content that positions you as an authority in your niche. Create content that addresses the pain points of your target clients. And also, next step apart from content marketing, you can do what we call active participation. That is, engage in relevant LinkedIn groups and discussions. Comment on posts and share insights. Interact with your target clients' content. Then the next is personalized outreach. Send personalized connection requests and messages to these people. Reference specific aspects of their businesses or recent activities. Avoid generic sales pitch. Next step you need to take is to leverage LinkedIn tools. You see, LinkedIn has a tool called LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So use the Sales Navigator to find and connect with targeted audience or leads. Next, utilize its advanced search filter and lead recommendations. Use the LinkedIn direct messaging to initiate conversations and build relationships. Focus on providing value and building rapport. The fifth step you can take is to provide value and establish trust. Focus on solutions. Understand your target clients' challenges and offer solutions. Demonstrate how your services can help them achieve their goals. Build credibility by sharing case studies and testimonials. Highlight your expertise and experience. Next, consistency. Consistency is key. So, constantly engage. Regularly provide value and engage with your network. It's as simple as that. Now, let me give you some things to take note of. You see, LinkedIn is a very powerful platform for connecting with high-ticket clients. A strong profile, targeted outreach, and valuable content are essential. Building relationships and establishing trust are also crucial for success. By implementing these strategies, you can increase the chances of attracting and securing high-target clients on LinkedIn. It's as simple as that. Do not forget to like and subscribe.